In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how we can embed a YouTube video into our Canva project or presentation. So first, we need to actually have the YouTube link. So when you're on a YouTube video on your phone, you can actually, let's get out of that, share down here to copy a link of a video. So we click the share icon. We're going to get a couple options, but one of them is copy link. So you can copy that link to your clipboard, and we can go back over to Canva to paste that link in. Now we can click on an empty slide if you want, and then I'm going to add a little bit of text to start with. So I'm going to exit out of that and go to text and just add a random heading. We're going to apply the link to this text. And so if we select the text, and we don't want it highlighted because we want our options, so I'm going to click the three dots up here, and we're going to go down here to link. And so once we add a link to the text, which we can just paste in the link that we want, once we have that added, it's going to ask us if we want it as a link or as an embed in the display mode area. And so we can click on link and switch it to embed, and that switches it to an embedded version of the link. And in this case, it's a YouTube video. So now we can drag this video around, scale it up and down as you wish, and it actually has a play button in the center that you can click on. Now you can go to like present mode, and when we're in that presentation mode, it's pretty easy to click that play button and just start playing the video. And so that's a real quick and easy way on how to embed a YouTube video into your Canva project here on Canva Mobile.